Okay, welcome back. This is trying to make inserts for the coaster project. And so far we found Inkscape. We've made this here. You can hardly see it. Let me control and scroll. And I forgot to mention that in the last video, and you're probably screaming at me now. How was I doing all this? Control on the keyboard while scrolling the mouse wheel zooms, and holding the middle mouse scroll wheel down and pushing, that's panning. That moves us around. If you just scroll the mouse wheel, then you'll see this bar on the right goes up and down, and it's just like scrolling a web page. Okay, that's moving around. So let's figure out how to get this thing to our laser software. Well, it's pretty easy, but it's also got a couple steps, unfortunately. So you go File, and you probably want to save your work right now as coaster insert. So I'm just going to do a normal save, and I'm going to go and find my folder. And I was working in my documents, so I'm going to find that. And then in there I made a Wood 1112 folder like you should have, and I'm going to call this one Inserts. Insert. And it's going to be in what Inkscape uses as a native file format, which is SVG, and we push save. Okay, so this is now called Insert. Now, that's great, I got it saved, but what I'm also going to do is File, Save a Copy. So choose Save a Copy, and now we're going to change this to a portable document format, or PDF, like that. And then we'll save it. I already got one going here, so I'm going to do another one. We'll call this Insert. Well, I can call it Insert. And it doesn't need the SVG at the end. It's going to be a PDF like this. So I'm just going to call it Insert. Hit Save and push OK to defaults. So I've created this portable document format, which is an Adobe format. And I'm going to go down here and find my File Explorer. And then I'm going to go to my Documents. And then I'm going to go to that Wood 1112 folder that I have. I'm going to find it. There's Insert. Don't double click it, but we are going to open it. If you double click it, it'll open in your browser, and that doesn't work for our laser. So you want to right click it, and you want to go, try that again. I'm going to right click on it, and when you get it right, like I did, you have to click right on the file name. You get this selection. You want to go Open With, and you want to open it with Adobe Reader DC, right there. Click that. And now it opens it. There's our circle. The last step is we're just using this program to filter this basically. We're just going to print it using this print button. You're going to go up here to the top and choose the VLS 460. That's our laser. And then down here, make sure you're selecting actual size. Make sure this is on landscape. And now you can hit print. Now it doesn't seem like it went anywhere, but where it goes is the little red box on your computer. Mine's underneath the, what do they call this? I can't remember, control panel. And then yours might be on the bottom here. And if you can't find this, it's called the UCP, or User Control Panel. So you can search for it down here. But I'm going to click on mine there, and now I can see that I have my circle into the software. So this is good. This is the laser control software. So this is, and it has to show up red. If it does not show up red, that means we did something wrong in the Inkscape line setup, and it's not proper, and you got to go fix that. Okay, so this is where we'll stop this one, and then in the next video we'll actually apply some settings and get this thing going.